So a lovely hello to all my 10 champion kids, my lovely champions. How are you all? How are you all? Just first let me know, am I audible to you everyone or not? Can you hear my voice clearly or not? Just let me know I'm clearly visible to you and audible to you everyone. Just give me thumbs up and give me confirmation is everything has fixed so that we can move ahead in today's session, live session. So just give me thumbs up. Am I audible to you everyone? My dear champions, can you hear me? Okay, just give me thumbs up. I'm waiting for your confirmation, guys. I'm waiting for your confirmation. Am I audible to you everyone? Let's join others so that the session will be very fruitful and very beneficial for you, and let's join other competitors of yours so that I can see the competition between you all who perform well in this live session, because in this live session we are going to do top 20 MCQs questions, pair of linear equations in two variable here, most important previous year MCQs and most expected questions. So I'm waiting for your response, guys. Let's join the others. Sneha Jaiswal. Hi sir. Hi Sneha. How are you? I hope you are fit and fine and you all are preparing for your board examination with complete dedication. Yes. Great. Super. Just give me confirmation. And today's video, today's live will be very important for you because you all are going to get the question based on this live session in your pre-board examination as well as in your board exam as well. So today's live will be very important for you. So in this live session we are going to do most top 20 MCQs containing these two most important questions that is already been asked in previous year, right? And most expected question for your pre-board. So give me thumbs up. I'm audible to you everyone. I hope I'm audible to you everyone. Superb. Okay, so without wasting a second, let's begin today's session. Chintu, hi Chintu, how are you man? My champion, everyone. So let's join others so that we can move ahead in this live session, and we'll be doing top 20 MCQs. My dear champions, this live session will be very important for you. I know you might be still scared of pair of linear equation in two variable because okay, so you do remember, of course, my lovely kids, of course, I remember each and everyone. All of you are very important for me because I also looking forward to make you topper in your examination. I also, we want to, make you all topper, and you deserve everyone, my dear champions. So let's begin today's session. Superb, super, let's join others. I want to give complete advantage of live session to you everyone because we have launched this operation 95 plus for you guys especially because you all are very important for us. So our all faculty members or mentors are working tirelessly and complete devotion for you all so that we can make you topper in your coming exam. So let's begin today's session with first question. Wow, the first question is the pair of linear equations x plus 2y plus 5 equals to 0, and the second linear equation is minus 3x equals to 6y minus 1. This question is been asked in the year 2024, and this is very most recent question. So guys, you have to be very ready for such questions. So can you do this question? Just give me the answer. Give me answer. What will be the correct answer of this question? I'm waiting for your response. I'm waiting. Who can do this question? Well, yeah, I'm waiting for your answer. Don't worry, if you're not able to do the question, I'm here to resolve your each and every difficulty. I'm here. My dear champion kids, your Murtaza Sir is here. So you don't need to worry. Okay, so just give me the answer. What will be the correct answer of this question? I hope you all know the comparison of coefficients of linear equation. Every linear equations remain in this format. As we know, we are talking about pair of linear equation in two variable. So in every equation there will be two linear equations, right? I have already uploaded a video in which we talked about 2, 3, 4 marker questions. So in that video I have already told you the concept of this chapter, right? So Chintu answered D. Okay, Chintu, let's wait a little while and just do the question. Okay. And others, I'm waiting for the response of others. Just give me the correct answer. So, if we compare these coefficients, if A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by V2, then what we conclude? There will be only one solution, exactly one solution, which is called, unique solution. If A1 by A2 equals to B1 by B2, and again this is also equal to C1 by C2, then we conclude that there will be infinitely many solutions if the coefficients, the ratio of coefficients are equal to each other. And if A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 but not equal to C1 by C2, then there is no solution. And on graph, the lines will be parallel to each other, right? So you have to just compare but the question is, here, look, these are the equations. So we can write A1 is the coefficient of this x, 1, B1 is the coefficient of this y, 2, and the C1 is 5. And A2 is the coefficient of x, A2 is -3, right? And here, look, B2 will be, just shift these all, because the right side should be 0. The right side must be 0, right? So you have to change. Should I use this? Okay. So, sorry for it. Just wait a second. I need to use one more mic. Okay, thank you. Okay, so first change the equation in this format. Then only you can take the coefficients comfortably. Here the right side is not 0. So if I shift this 6y, so this will be negative form and negative will be in positive form. The right side should be 0. The right side must be 0. Now you can take the value. B2 will be -6, right? And here the C2 will be 1. Now please compare the ratios. If I take A1 by A2, so the value will be A1 is 1, A2 is -3. So this we are getting a -1 by 3. If I take B1 by B2, so B1 is 2, right? And the B2 is -6. So this will be again -1 by 3. 2 will cancel this 3. If I take C1 by C2, C1 is 5 here and C2 is 1 here. So we are getting only C2 is 1 here. So we are getting this is 5. So we can conclude A1 by A2 is equals to B1 by B2 but not equal to C1 by C2. Here A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 but it is not equal to C1 by C2, right? So this situation is called what? No solution. Right? This is called no solution. There will be no any solution, and we can also say the lines will be parallel to each other. Parallel to each other. I hope you have understood it. So Chintu answered correct. Yes, Chintu, you are right. Superb. Let's join others. I'm waiting for the others. I hope you have understood this question. So I think this question required only comparison of coefficient. Look, this is the comparison. If this condition comes up, we can say unique solution. Unique solution. Only one solution will be there. If this situation comes up, we can say infinitely many solution. Infinitely many solution, right? And if this condition comes up, A1 by A2 is equals to B1 by B2, but not equal to C1 by C2, then we can say there will be no solution. There will be no solution. And both the lines will be away from each other. Okay, superb. Superb. So can I move forward to the next question? Okay, I hope you have understood the question. I hope. So let's move to the next question. Moving to question number 2. Now do this question, everyone. I'm waiting for you answer, everyone. You all are champion. See, if you're not able to do the question correctly or not, doesn't matter. You are trying or not, you're putting your effort is not that matter. So you should put your effort, at least you should try. If you're not able to do, I'm here to solve the question. I'll give you the complete clarity how you can tackle such question, how you can proceed the solution. I'll give you. So just give me the answer. What will be the answer? Chintu is asking, what is your name? My name is Murtaza. This is my name. Murtaza, Murtaza. You can call me Murtaza Sir. Now do this question. Now do this question. Okay. I'm waiting for your answer. I'm waiting for your answer, everyone. I'm expecting you all can do this question. Just give me the answer. What will be the answer? There is a graph, and after Just observing this graph, you have to answer correct one. There are 4 options given to you. Chintu is saying answer number A. Okay. I'm waiting for others. Others other than Chintu. Chintu is doing great work. Okay, superb. Okay, Muhammad Rizwan, sir, graph is not visible. So, okay, so let me draw the graph here using my pen. So, let me show you the graph. So, my dear champion, there is an x-axis. This is x-axis here, and this is y-axis. I hope. Okay, and there are 2 lines. One line is this, and other line is this. This is the situation, and you have to mark the correct answer here. I hope, Muhammad Rizwan, now this graph is visible to you. Okay, so look, this line is going this way. So if I exceed the line, this will go in this direction. And if this line is a bit, a bit turned towards this first line, because the gapping is increasing this way, so the gapping will be decreased here in this direction. So if I produce this line, so they might be intersecting each other at some point. And if 2 lines are intersecting at one point, how many solutions will be there? Exactly 1 solution will be there, because both the lines are intersecting with each other, right? So if these 2 lines are intersecting at each other, so there will be unique solution, or we can say exactly 1 solution. And this situation is called what? Consistent. If we get only 1 solution or infinitely many solutions, both the situation in maths called consistent. And if we are getting no any solution, means both the lines are parallel to each other, then such situation is called inconsistent. So we are getting unique solution and consistent. Is there any option? Shalu is saying hi Shalu, hello. So the option number A is correct option, consistent with unique solution. So I think in this question no mathematical calculation is required. You just need to observe the graph well. What the graph is saying to you. What kind of information you can get from the graph, and you can answer the correct option. I think in this question no mathematics calculation is required. Hi Shalu, welcome on Deeksha Vedantu platform, and welcome to Operation 95 Plus session for you everyone. Okay, let's move to the next question. Question number 3, and this question is been asked in the year 2021. So let's do this question. Very simple question. I'm waiting for the answer. Who can answer this question? Many of you have been joined the session. I am waiting for your response, guys. Just participate. Chintu, I hope you got the answer. Simple paper book. Okay, simple paper book. I'll let you know the simple paper book. Which simple paper? In previous live session, I've already told you. I need to check out which simple paper will be, productive for you. So I need to analyze and research for that, and I'll let you know in next session. Don't worry. Okay, so I'm waiting for your answer. What will be the answer of this question? Shalu, Chintu and Rizwan, can you do this question? Can you give me the correct answer? What will be the correct answer? So read the question carefully first. What the question is saying: 2 lines are given to be parallel. The equation of one of the line is this. The equation of second line will be what? So the condition is that one Mehreen Khanam is saying answer C. Okay, Mehreen, just wait a little while and check if you are right or wrong here. So look, the question is saying there is one equation already given to you. Write this equation: 3x minus 2y, and shift this minus 5 here this side, because the right side should be 0. Keep right side always 0. Now the question is, which equation will be in these 4 which will make the graphical representation parallel to each other when we will draw the graph of these 2 lines. So in pair of linear equation in 2 variable, when the linear equations become parallel to each other, when the a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 but not equal to c1 by c2. Please keep it in mind. If this condition comes up, if this condition is fulfilling there, then we can conclude only both the lines will be parallel to each other on graphical representation, right? So one equation is already given to you. Check whether which of the following equation will give you this situation, this condition here. So if I check the relationship of this using this equation, first one, so what the answer will be there? A1 by A2 will be 3 by 9, which will be 1 by 3, B1 by B2, B1 is what? B1 is minus 2 here, and B2, this will be 8, so this is 1 by 4, and this will not be there. Look, A1 by A2 is 1 by 3, and B1 by B2 is minus 1 by 4. So this is violating this condition. So the first option will not be there. Now check option number 2. Now check option number 2. So this will be A1 by 3 by minus 12, which will be equal to minus 1 by 4. Now check this. Minus 2 divided by this minus 8, can we cancel minus? So we are getting 1 by 4. Now check this. This is minus 5. On shifting this 7, this will be minus 7, right? So minus cancel. So we are getting 5 by 7. So we can say here, look, A1 by A2 is minus 1 by 4, B1 by B2 is here, look, 1 by 4, and this is all 1 by 4. So now we can say what result we are getting here. If 3 by minus 12 is minus 1 by 4 here, and this minus 2 by minus 8 is 1 by 4 here, so clearly we can say A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2, and we want parallel line. Now check option number C here. So what will be the result? 3 by minus 12, that will be minus 1 by 4, then minus 2 by positive 8, this will be minus 4, minus 1 by 4, because we can cancel this by 2, right? And this is minus 5 here, minus 5, and this is 7, minus 7, because I'm shifting this 7 this side. So we are getting here this. Now look at this situation. This is A1 by A2, B1 by B2, both are same, but not equal to C1 by C2. So option number C is correct option. Many of you answered, okay, Mehreen Khanam answered C. Yeah, congratulations, Mehreen, you answered correct. Yes, option number C is correct one, because only option number C is fulfilling this condition. And once this condition will comes up, we can say that both the lines will be parallel to each other. This is the concept. Now moving to the question number. Here question number 4. So basically question number 4 is based on assertion and reason. Just check the answer. What will be the correct answer? Give me correct answer. I'm waiting for your response. I'm waiting for your answer, my dear champions. Give me the correct answer, my champions. I know you all can do this question. Very easy question, I think. Try this question. Superb. Just I'm waiting for your response. Okay, so the assertion is 2x minus 5 equals to 7. So I have just suggested you, if the equation is in this form, equal to 7. So what we need to do? Just shift this 7, C value right side, and this side, left side, right side must be 0. So we can write this equation 2x minus 5y minus 7. Please make the equation in standard form first. Please modify the equations in standard form, and this is the standard form. And the second equation is 6x minus 15y, and can I shift this 8 this side? Minus 8 will be 0. Now both the equations have shifted in their standard form, converted in their standard form. Now compare the values, because they are saying they are parallel to each other. Now look, find A1 by A2. So A1 is what? 2. And this is 6. What we are getting here? We are getting 1 by 3. Now find out the B1 by B2. So B1 is what? Minus 5, right? And the B2 is minus 15. Minus can cancel minus, so 5 3 is 18. Again we are getting same number, right? Now come to C1 by C2, and C1 is what? Minus 7, right? And the C2 is minus 8. Can we cancel minus? So we are getting, wow, here, look at here. Look, A1 by A2 is equals to B1 by B2. This is clear, because both are equal to 1 by 3, but not equal to C1 by C2. And if this situation comes up, what we can conclude? What will be the answer? Both the linear equations will be parallel to each other, because these ratios are equal to each other but not equal to C1 by C2. So it is clear that assertion is absolutely correct. Absolutely correct. Now come to the region. Region saying that if this is this is the standard form of linear equation, you all know, and this is the standard form. There are two pair of linear equations, and if there are infinitely many solution. So when infinitely many solution comes up, when the ratios a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 equals to c1 by c2 there. So this is correct one. But this situation, this region is not explaining the first one, because first one is based on parallel concept, and this is based on infinitely many solution. Infinitely many solution is called coincident. Coincident on graph. So this is based on coincident concept, but the assertion is in parallel. So both are correct. I am agree. You should agree. Both are correct, but region is not explaining the assertion, right? So which option will be there? Both assertion region are true, and region R is the R is not the correct explanation, because R is based on coincident, and this is parallel. So this will be the answer. I hope you have understood it. Both assertion A and region are true, but region R is not the correct explanation of assertion A. I hope you have understood it. Come on, give me thumbs up if you have understood the solution of this question, because this question is assertion and region, and in your board exam as well as in your pre-board exam, you will be getting the question compulsory based on assertion and region. So you have to be ready for such question based on assertion and region. Don't run away from such question. Please tackle the question, fight with the question. That will give you the confidence, right? So this is the solution. I hope you have get this concept. Give me thumbs up. I'm waiting for your response. Give me thumbs up if you are really enjoying the session. So can I move forward to the next question? I hope. Okay, so next question is question number 5. The values of alpha and beta for which the following system of linear equations has infinite many solution. You all know when infinite many solutions comes up, when we can say the pair of linear equations have infinitely many solution. When? Just give me the answer. When you know, when a1 by a2 become equal to b1 by b2 and then equal to c1 by c2. Yes, please remember it. If you don't know the formula, you cannot proceed the solution. Maths required formula. Once you will get the formula, then the rest thing is mathematical calculation. There is nothing challenging task here. So formula you should have there. Okay. Okay, so just give me Rizwan, can you please give me the answer of this question? Mehreen, Chintu, I'm waiting for your answer. What will be the answer? What will be the answer? Okay, I'm waiting for your answer. Everyone. You all are doing great job here. This is very easy question. What you need to do here, just first go through the linear equation. Change the linear equation in standard form. If the linear equation is already in standard form, you don't require to change the linear equation in standard form. This is already in standard form. But you just need to shift this 7 that side only. Okay, so look how we can solve this. So the first equation is 2x plus 3y, and this 7 can be write minus 7 equals to 0. Right? And this equation is 2a, which is alpha, exactly alpha, 2 alpha x plus alpha plus beta, and this is y. I'm writing gamma here. I got the rhythm. This is y here. Okay, this is y. And can we shift 28 this side? 28 equals to 0. Now use the, see, the question is saying the linear equation has infinite many solution. And for infinite many solution, this situation should be fulfilling there. Write the values. So a1 by a2. a1 is what? 2. So 2 by 2 alpha will be equal to this b1 3 by this is alpha plus beta. Right? And this is c. C is minus 7 and this is minus 28. Right? You have 3 ratios. And all 3 are equal to each other because the question is saying infinite many solution. So you can take this, you can apply this, whatever. Music of Raj, welcome music of Raj. I don't know your real name. So can we solve it? I'm taking these two first. I'm taking this first, this. Okay, so 3 by alpha plus beta, right? So can we cancel 2 by 2? So 1 by alpha equals to 3 by alpha plus beta. So on multiplying, cross multiplying, what we are getting here? 3 alpha equals to alpha plus beta. On shifting this alpha here, we are getting this beta equals to 2 alpha. Very good. Now take this ratio, because all three are equal to each other. You can take these two equal to each other, these two, or whatever. Now 3 by alpha plus beta is equals to what? This. So I can directly take this value, because directly taking the first and third ratio will get the value of alpha. So I'm taking this one, right? 2 by 2 alpha equals to minus 7 by minus 22. Can we cancel minus by minus? 7 by 4. This is 2. 2 cancel. So 1 by alpha is equals to 1 by 4, right? So the alpha is equals to 4. This is the value of alpha. Can we put this alpha here this side? So beta will be what? 2 into 4. So beta will be 8. I hope you got the point. Beta is 8. So is there any option? The question is asking alpha and beta. So 4 and 8. Option number B. Yeah, Music of Raj, your answer is correct. You are correct. Superb. All the very best. So I hope you have understood the solution, right? So can I move forward to the next question? Question number 6. Okay, look at the question. Okay. This question is again, if there are, how many linear equations are there? One linear equation, this, and other is this one, right? And both the linear equation are inconsistent. You know, inconsistent, when inconsistent situation comes up, when there will be no solution. And there is only one condition when the linear equation shows no solution, which is called parallel line. When two lines will become parallel to each other, there will be no solution, because both the lines are not interacting with each other, right? So parallel condition is called no solution is called inconsistent situation. Keep it in mind. So what will be the condition if there is the word inconsistent? So we can bring two terms here. First term, parallel lines, where you will get this situation on graphical representation, right? And algebraically you can say no solution, right? Algebraically, right? This situation is called inconsistent. My name is Rajdeep. Okay, Rajdeep, welcome again on Deeksha Vedantu platform. So just give me the answer. What will be the correct answer? Whoever is watching the live session, just give me answer. I want to check how many of you can solve, how many of you can tackle such question, because these questions are very important. You will get such question in your pre-board exam as well as in your board exam. Not exactly same, but the question might be based on these concepts. I'm assuring you, please. Marine is answered C here. So let's check. Now, so if the situation is inconsistent, so what is the meaning of inconsistent? Two meaning. You can say parallel graphically and no solution algebraically. And you know, for this situation comes up, A1 by A2 will be equal to B1 by B2, but not equal to C1 by C2. This situation is called inconsistent, or algebraically there will be no solution, and graphically both the lines will be parallel to each other. Okay, let's solve. So what will be A1? A1 is this 3k plus 1. So I can put here 3k plus 1. What will be the A2? This is k square plus 1, right? And B1 is what? B1 is the coefficient of this first equation, 3. I can write here 3 divided by B2. B2 is what, my dear kids? K minus 2, and not equal to C1 is what? Minus 2, right? And C2 is what, my dear kids? Minus 5. My all champion. Marine Rajdeep is also answered C. Let's check the answer. Let's check. Just wait a little while. And check the answer. What will be the answer? So can we solve this? Can we take these two, because all three are equal to each other? So can we multiply, cross multiply? So on cross multiplying these two, what will be the result? Look at the result. 3k square minus 6 here, minus 6k, 3k into 2, and this will be positive k, and 2 in this will be minus 2, will be equal to 3k square plus 3 here, right? I've just multiplied this from this and this from this. So 3k plus 1, k minus 2 will be 3k square minus 6k plus k and minus 2. Can we cancel this? 3k square? And you know, minus 6k and k will be, we can write here minus 5k. And can I shift this minus to that side? And this will be positive 5 because 3 is already here, there. So minus 2 will be in positive form. So minus 5k equals to 5. So minus 5 equals to 5. So can I cancel this? Sorry. Minus 5k equals to 5. So can I cancel this? So this will be minus 1. So k is minus 1 here. I hope you get the answer. So who answered minus 1? Let me check. Who answered minus 1? Who answered minus 1? Okay. Yes, C. Marine answered C. Rajdeep answered C. Very good, guys. You are doing great job here. I'm really impressed from you all. Superb. Sidhya, yeah, welcome Sidhya. Hi, hello Sidhya. How are you? Yeah, good evening Sidhya. Welcome to the platform, to the live session of Murtaza Sir. Let's do Sidhya. Sidhya, question number 7 for you especially because you just joined the session. So this is a welcoming question for you. Give me the answer. If you guys are really enjoying the live session of today's live session, just give me thumbs up. Give me, because these questions are I picked up very important question, including PYQ and as well as most expected question that you might get in your upcoming board exam and pre-board exam in your school. So these questions are very important. Look at the question. This question I picked up from Competency book of Deeksha. Let me show you the book. This is the book here. Look, this is book. This is Competency book Deeksha. I usually picked up questions from this book because in this book the questions are arranged in very systematic manner. You will get basic question, then a bit moderate question, then very hard question as well as topper based questions you will get there. So this book consists very systematic order of question. So you can also order this question. The description, your order link is already given in description as well as in comment section as well. So you can hit the link and you can order the book from here. Okay, this will be very fruitful for you because this book contains very good question and a good level of question. Okay, so yeah, Sidhya answered C of this question. Okay, let's do the question here. Solve the following simultaneous linear equations. There are two linear equations. We have to find the value of x and y because the question is saying solve. Marine is saying, can I answer, sir? Of course, Marine, you can answer. I'm eagerly waiting for your response, everyone. Yeah, because you all, see, I usually feel very impressed when you guys give me answer before solving by me actually, because I feel very proud of you because you all are doing great work. So every teacher wants their students should be, 2 steps ahead of their teachers. So yeah, I'm eagerly waiting for your answer, everyone. Very good. So can we solve this question? The question is a bit tricky here. Look at the question. So Marine answered A. 1 and minus 1. Let's check the answer. Marine, if you are right or wrong. So look at the question. The first linear equation is ax plus by minus a plus b equals to 0, and the second linear equation is bx minus ay minus a minus b equals to 0. My dear all champion students, see, if you guys are able to do this question, that's very great, very fine. But if some of you are still afraid of such questions, if you're not able to tackle this question, let me tell you a short trick. Let me tell you the concept of this question, how you can solve such questions. So I'm going to solve the question, these two linear equations. I'm going to find the value of x and y by elimination method. In such question, make sure you should apply elimination method only. And elimination method always eliminate the family. Either you can eliminate the x family or y family as per your wish. So in this equation, look, the y family is in positive form and this y family in second equation is in negative form. So I will add these two equations because one family is in positive form and other is in negative form. By adding, we can cancel both the family, but the condition is that their coefficients must be equal to each other. then they will eliminate to each other. So to make the coefficients equal to each other, I need to multiply this equation, because B is already here and A is not there. So I am going to multiply this equation by A. And here A is already there. I need B also. So I'll multiply this equation by B. And both the equation will be subtracting with each other. Both the equation will be adding with each other. But first multiply. So after multiplying A from in this equation, what will be the result? Look, A square x A into A square plus ABY minus A into A will be A square, and this is plus AB equals to 0, right? And can we multiply B in this equation? So the result will be B square x, and this will be minus ABY, and this will be minus AB, and this minus B into minus B will be minus B square. I hope you get the concept. Now add these two. So on adding these two equations, what is the magical thing? Yes, both the families are eliminating with each other. ABY, one ABY is in positive form, other is in negative form. So that will be cancelling with each other. So we have eliminated that, and this is called elimination method, right? So what we are getting here, this A square x. So can we take x as common? So I can write here A square plus B square. Here on adding these two, AB will also cancel AB, because one is in positive form, other is in negative form, right? Now we are getting here minus A square minus B square remaining function. So we can write here x A square plus B square. We can shift these two right side, so they will both become in positive form. So x will be A square plus B square divided by A square plus B square. So what will be the result? 1. We are getting x as 1. So first answer in front of you, x is 1. Now putting this x in any one equation, either you can put here or you can put x here in this equation to find the value of y. Now put the value of x. So I am putting in first equation. So x into 1, A into 1, A into 1 plus by minus A plus B equals to 0. So A into 1 is only A will be there, plus by minus A plus B will be 0. So plus A minus A is cancelled. So we are getting here by, can I shift this B this side? Minus B. So y will be equals to minus B divided by B, which is equals to minus 1. So this is the second answer. Wow. So first, who answered option number A? Let me check. So answer Mehreen Khanam answered A. Superb Mehreen. Superb, your answer is correct. And Rajdeep is also answered A. X is 1 and Y is minus 1. I hope you have understood it. So let's move to the next question. Let's move to the next question. So the question number 8 is, if 3x plus y equals to 81 and 81 to power x minus 1 equals to 3, then the value of x and y are. So give me the answer of this question. Yeah, this question is a bit tricky question. I need you to solve this question. Can you solve, everyone? Can you guys solve this question? This is tricky one. I want to check how many of you is having toppers mindset. How many of you are topper here? I hope you all are sitting with your copy and pen and you all are solving with me. So let's check who is the topper of this session. I'm waiting. Siddhaya, Mehreen, Rajdeep. Where is Chintu? Superb. I'm waiting. Yeah, what will be the answer? This is a bit tricky question, competency based question. And you all can do. If you can put your effort in this question, you can solve this question comfortably well. I'm pretty sure you all can do this question. What will be the answer? What will be the answer? I'm waiting. I'm looking at comment section here. I'm waiting for your response, my dear all champions. Okay, so I'm solving this question for you, everyone. Okay, this is a gift from my side for you all, because you guys are not solving. I think you guys are facing a bit challenge here in this question, but there is nothing challenging, no any kind of difficulty here. Let me show you the answer. Okay, So look, the question is, the first situation is 3 to power x plus y equals to 81. Now do one thing. If the base is 3 here and the power is x plus 5, so what you should do here, make 81 as, at the place of 81, modify 81 as the base of 81 will be 3, so that you can compare the powers. So what we can do, you all know 81 is what? 81 is equals to 3 to power 4. You know, 84 is equals to 3 to power 4. So can we modify this format? 3 to power x plus y. Can I write this 81 as 3 to power 4? Yes, we can write. And now look, the bases are same. Here is base 3 and here is base 3. And both the functions, both the families are equal to each other. So if the bases are same and both whole families are equal to each other, so can we write power will be equal to each other? Power must be equal to each other because both base are same. I'm calling this first equation. Mehreen is answered B. So let's wait, Mehreen, what will be the answer? I'm solving this question for others as well. So we have just get the first equation is x plus y equals to 4. Now what we need to do? Look at the second situation. The second situation is 81 to power x minus 1. Again, can we write 81 as 3 to power 4? Yes, and this power is already there. So this power will be in multiplication form. X minus y, yes. This is 81, so I'm modifying this 81 as 3 to power 4, and one power is already there. So both the power will be multiplied with each other. And this is equals to 3 and nothing is there, means 1 is there. Can we compare both? So 4 into x minus 1 will be equals to 1. Right? So can I write here x minus y equals to 1 by 4. I have second equation, this. Now we can do one thing, we can solve the value of x and y by elimination method. Why elimination method? Because I can see here the y is in positive form and this y is in negative form. So on adding these two equations, the y will be eliminated with each other. The y and plus y and minus y will be cancelled by each other, right? So on adding equation first and second, now add these two. So x plus y plus x minus y equals to 4 plus this 1 by 4. So y will be cancelled with y, x plus x will be 2x and 4 plus 1 by 4 will be 17 by 4. Right, so what will be the x? X will be 17 by 4 and this 2 is already here, so 2 will come this position, so 17 by 8. So the value of x is 17 by 8. So we are moving forward. 17 by 8, there are three options in which first position is 17 by 8. So don't be hurry, don't be quick, just find out the y also. Then only you can sure what will be the exact answer. So now to find the x, y, we can put the value of x here. So y will be 4, on shifting this x that side, 4 minus x. So y will be 4 minus x is what? 17 by 8. Now solve this 8 for 32 minus 17 by 8. So y will be 15 by 8. I hope you get the concept. So answer number, which answer is there? 17 by 8 and wow, answer number B. Who answered B? Yeah, Mehreen. Again, Mehreen is correct. Mehreen's all the very best. Congratulations, your answer is correct one. So x is 17 by 8 and y is 15 by 8. I hope you get the point. Okay. Can I move forward to the next question? Question number 9. They give me thumbs up. You are ready for question number 9. There are still very important questions remaining. The 10 last question, the last 10 questions are very important, guys. So make sure to make sure to stay connected with this live session till the end, because the rest 10 questions are very important. Yeah, I picked up those questions specially for your pre-board and your board exam. So stay connected in this live session. Okay. Superb. Okay, so I'm moving to the next question, question number 9 here. Very easy question. The value of k for which the lines this and this coincide. So the condition is coincide. You know, coincide means infinitely many solution. Infinitely many solution because both the lines are on each other. If there is first line, this first line pair linear equation, and second line is also on this same line. So there are how many solution will be there? So many. Each and every points are satisfying with each other. So coincide situation is called infinitely many solution. So you have to find the value of k, and the situation is already given to you, both the linear equations. Where are the linear equation? The first linear equation is 5x plus 7y. Please shift this 3 this side because the right side should be 0. This is the standard form of any linear equation into variable. And this is 15x plus 21y, and this k is at the right side of equal, so we can take at the left side of equal, so it will be in negative form. There are 2 linear equations, and this is given to you. Yeah, Marine is answered B. I'm waiting for others. Okay, so if there are infinitely many solutions, when infinitely many solution comes up? When? You know, when infinitely many solutions comes? When A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 and equal to C1 by C2. This is the situation. For infinitely many solution, you just need to look at the A1, A2, B1, B2 and C1, C2, and you have to use this format. There is nothing challenging here. Okay, so can we find here A1 by A2? A1 is 5 and A2 is 15. So this will be 1 by 3, right? Now B1 by B2. B1 is what? 7. And this is 21. So 7, 3. Again 1 by 3. Now C1 by C2. C1 is what? Minus 3, right? And this is minus k. Can we cancel minus by minus? So this is only 3 by k, right? So compare, you can compare this by this both. So 1 by 3 is equals to 3 by k. I am taking these two, this one and this one. So what will be the answer? Can we cross multiply here? K and 3, 3, 9. The answer number, option number A is correct. Very good, Marine. Yeah, superb. So can I move forward to the next question? Should I move ahead towards the question number 10? Give me thumbs up. You all get the concept of this question. Give me thumbs up. I'm waiting for your response. You all are my champion kids. I'm waiting for your response. Give me response fast, quick. Should I move ahead to the next question for you all? Because the next 10 questions are very important. Last 10 questions I picked up here. Very important questions. So stay connected in this live session, and that will give you the complete concept of pair of linear equation into variable. Give me thumbs up. Should I move ahead? Yes, I'm waiting for your response, everyone. Okay, so let's move to the question number 10 for you. Yes, this is the question. If the system of equations, this and this, there are 2 equations, is inconsistent. I have already told you the concept of inconsistent. When this situation comes up, when this question arises, you know, inconsistent situation is called when no solutions are there. Yes, no solution condition is called inconsistent. Or you can also say parallel line. Parallel lines on graph. Yeah, no solution is called inconsistent. Or you can also call parallel line if you represent both the situation graphically. So there will be parallel line. Both will be parallel to each other. So this situation is given to you and you have to find the value of k. So you know, for no solution, which condition is there? A1 by A2 equals to B1 by B2, but not equal to C1 by C2. Please keep it in mind, these concepts. A1 by A2 is equals to B1 by B2, but not equal to C1 by C2. And if this situation arises, we can conclude there will be no solution. We can say the lines are parallel to each other, right? So now found. What is A1 here? A1 is the coefficient of x. So A1 is 3. A2 is what? A2 is this 2k minus 1. 2k minus 1. b1 is what? b1 is what? The coefficient of y. There is no any number, so there is 1. And b2 is what? b2 is the coefficient of second equation, y, coefficient of y in second equation. And c1 is what? This one is here, we can shift that side, so I can write minus 1. And this is this, so I can write minus 2k plus 1. Right? Can I cancel this minus by this? Now do one thing, you can compare both. So why I'm writing here this? Look, this is here k minus 1, I'm writing here y, this is k minus 1. Now compare, you can take these two equations, so I'm comparing these two. So 3 by 2k minus 1 is equals to 1 by k minus 1. Can we cross multiply here? So on multiplying cross, we are getting 3k minus 1, and this will be 3k minus 3, okay, and this will be as it is 2k minus 1, because we are multiplying 2k minus 1 from 1. Okay, so 3k, can we shift this 2k this side? So 3k minus 2k, and on shifting minus 3 that side, minus 1 plus 3, so 3k minus k will be only k, and minus 1 plus 3 will be 2, so k is 2 here. Is there any option? Option number 2. Option number 2. Option number 2 is correct. The value of k is 2 here. Now question number 11. So this question is from previous year section, and this question has been asked in the year 2023 by CBSE. Look at the question. The question is the area of the triangle formed by x by a plus y by b equals to 0. Okay, so we have to find the area actually, and there is a linear equation in the form of this. So the linear equation is x by a plus y by b equals to 1, right? And you have to find the area of the triangle forming by this line, the triangle which is making with the coordinate axis. Coordinate axis means, you know, coordinate axis is called x-axis and y-axis. The combination of both is called coordinate axis, right? So what we can do, we have to find the intercept first. Let's say if there is a line passing this way, if there is a line passing through these two coordinates x and y, so here at this position the value of y will be 0, and here at this position the value of x coordinate will be 0. So what you need to do here, put these two values to find the coordinates from which the given line is passing through, right? So I am putting first x equals to 0, x equals to 0 here, for which, for what? To find the y-intercept. X equals to 0 to find the y-intercept. We can write here to find the y-intercept. X equals to 0 to find the y-intercept. So put x equals to 0 here. So 0 by a plus y by b equals to 1. So this family will be 0 complete. So there will be what? Y by b equals to 1. So the value of y will be only b. Okay, so the coordinates will be here. The coordinates will be 0 comma b, means this is b here. Right, now here at this position what will be 0? Y will be 0, and there will be x-intercept. This is called intercept. So put y equals to 0 to find the what? X-intercept. To find the x-intercept, right? To find the x-intercept. Kunal Malhotra, hi Kunal, welcome to Deeksha Vedantu. Ankita, hi sir, hi, hello Ankita, how are you? Good evening, yeah, good evening Ankita. So Ankita, just stay connected with this live session. We are doing very important questions here. So look at this solution I'm doing right away. Okay, so y will be 0. So if I'll put y equals to 0 here, this whole family will be 0, right? So x by a plus 0 by b equals to 1. So this will be 0. So x by a equals to 1. So with x coordinate will be 1, a. So here the coordinate will be what? A comma 0, right? So this intercept, this is a and this is b, but we have to find the area of the triangle with coordinate axis. So this is the triangle. This is the triangle, and we know the area of triangle. We have formula which is equals to half base into height. So area of triangle will be half, and base is what? Base is A, and height is what? B, y-intercept. So the area is 1/2 AB. Is there any option? Is there any option? So half, this is C is the correct option. Sir, personal batch hai koi? Kunal, there is no any personal batch right now, but you can stay connected on this channel. We are giving complete solution of your board exam. Our faculty member of particular respective subjects, they are putting their effort. We are providing complete solution for your board exam as well as for your pre-board exam. So I think you don't need to worry. Stay connected with this channel. You'll get good marks. You can perform well in your exam. Okay? No, there is no any personal batch, my dear champion Kunal. Yeah, we'll be doing sample paper practice. Don't worry for that. We are planning for that. But the condition is the first, you have to perform well in your pre-board exam. So make sure to perform in your pre-board exam first. After that, we'll be doing sample paper. I'll be solving so many sample papers for you all. So my dear champions, don't worry. Stay connected with us. Okay, and the live session will be very important for you. Okay, so the option number C is correct. Okay, Ankita, I'm moving to the next question. Very good. You guys are doing great. Superb. Yeah, Ankita, this is the next question. Question number 12. What is the solution of the pair of linear equation this and this? So what do you understand by solution? If I ask you what is the solution, means the question is asking to find out the value of x and y. If the question is saying what is the solution or solve the linear equation. So these terms indicates that you have to find the value of x and y here. So Kunal, Madhav, welcome Madhav on this channel Deeksha Vedantu. So I have already told you, you can go through my name in thumbnail and description. Okay, Kunal is saying answer number C. Okay, just wait Kunal just for a little while and I'll be solving and check if you are right or wrong. I'm waiting for others' response. Everyone, just find out. Very important question. Very important question. Yes, Kunal, for all subject. No need to worry for that. Our SST teacher, biology teacher, physics teacher, every mentor, every faculty members are doing great work on this channel. So my request is to stay connected with us. And still you have any kind of other problem, difficulty, challenging while you are studying subject and you are facing problem in doing numerical and how to memorize the formula and all, we'll be giving you complete solution for that, how you can, vanish such kind of problem. So stay connected with us. Don't worry. We are here for you, everyone. Okay. So what will be the answer? So first give me thumbs up so that I can see you guys are really enjoying the live session, today's live session. Give me thumbs up, my dear champions, my all 10th champions. Give me thumbs up. I'm waiting. Okay, sir, but I need before 4 December. Don't worry, Kunal, don't worry. Ankita is answer D. Let's see, Ankita, if you're right or wrong here. Okay, so let me tell you the concept, how I think such question generally scares the student a lot. I don't know why. There is nothing scaring here. The main thing is concept and clarity. How to initiate the question, how to attempt the solution, what should be the first step. And that is why we have launched Operation 95 Plus for you all, to give you complete clarity. Okay, Kunal is answer D, Mehreen is also answered. You guys are doing great job. Let's check the answer. So what we can do here, there are two equations. First is 37x plus 43y and equals to 123. And the second equation is 43x plus 37y equals to 117. Right. So as you can see, there are very large numbers are there, 37, 43, and they are a bit scaring. 37, 43, 123, 117. But the solution is very easy. Let me show you what we can do here. What we can do, this is first, I'm calling this equation as A and I'm calling this equation B here. Add these two equations. So if I add these two equations, x will be added with x. So what will be the result? 80x, right? And if I add 43y, 37y, again 80y. And that is why there are such danger numbers are there, big numbers are there. If you will be adding these two numbers, you will be getting 80x, which will make your solution easy. Yeah, and 123 plus 117 will be what? 7301, and this is 4 and this is 2. Can we take 80 as common here? So on taking 80 common, x plus y 240. So can I shift this 80 this side? So x plus y will be equals to 3, first situation. So by modifying these two equations, we got some new relationship between x and y. A new relationship between x and y, which is having a smaller coefficient. The coefficient of x is 1 and 1, which will make our solution easier. Now what we can do here, first, so we have added these two and we got this. Now we can subtract these two. So on subtracting equation, either you can subtract a from b or b from a, doesn't matter. No need to worry about that. So I'm subtracting equation number a from b. So 43x, I'm writing up 37y, and this is 117, and this equation is 37x plus 43y equals to 123. Now subtract these two. So on subtracting, the sign will be changed. 43 minus 6x minus 37x will be 6x, right? And 37 minus 43 will be minus 6y, right? And on subtracting 117 minus 123, so this is bigger number, so this will be minus 6. Now, sir, detailed one shot, can you? Sir, can you provide detailed one shot? Kunal, sure, why not? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I'll provide you one shot video as well for you, everyone. But first, live session is also very important for you, because we'll be doing live session for so many days, upcoming days. And live session will give you the complete clarity, will boost your performance, will boost your confidence in maths, right? Okay. Now can we take 6 as common here? So on taking 6 common, x minus y equals to minus 6. 6 will be cancelled here. So x minus y equals to minus 1. And I'm calling this equation number 1. Adding these two, if I'll be adding these two, here y is in positive form, here y is in negative form. So adding equation number, adding first and second, so y will be cancelled with y, because y is in negative form and here y is in positive form. And x will be 2x. I'm writing directly, and this 3 minus 1 will be what? This will be, if I add minus 1 plus 3, so this will be 2, and x is equals to 1. Okay, smile. Okay, so x equals to 1. Now to find the value of y, you can put this x here in this. So x plus y equals to 3. We have the value of x is 1. 1 plus y equals to 3. So y will be equals to 2. Is there any option? Option number D. Who answered option number D? Who answered option number D? Smile Preet, how are you, champ? How are you? Okay, option number D, Rajdeep, Marine, Kunal, Ankita, superb guys. I'm really impressed from you, everyone. You did great job. Good evening, sir. I had not done my maths paper so well, oh, unfortunately, but don't worry. You are halfway there. Don't worry, guys. You have to perform in your board exam and pre-board exam. So we are dedicatedly working on that. Smile, please. No need to demotivate. Don't demotivate yourself. Believe. Make your belief system stronger. Believe in yourself. Right? Believe in yourself, and that will give you the complete result. You can start from here. You're not too late here. You can start from just whatever you are planning. Don't leave any planning tomorrow. Come on, execute it right away. You all can do wonder. And you deserve it, everyone. Yeah, you deserve it. Okay. Let's move to the next question, number 13. Question number 13. I'm here, yeah. See, future belongs to those who really believe in the beauty of their dreams. Some, a great person said this quote for you, everyone. Believe in yourself. Never compare your potential to anyone. You all can do wonder. I'm here to guide you, to nurture you. Don't worry. One result never decide your capability and ability. You all can do wonder. You have to perform in board exam, and for this you have to prepare with me in this live session, right? And this will really, I'm assuring you, you will remember me in your examination hall if you really enjoying this session, live session. And this will give you the complete concept and clarity. Ankita. Okay, question number 13. Do this question here. So there are two equations, this equation and this equation, right? Okay, till here. Second equation is till here. Represent coincident lines. Then A and B satisfy the equation. Here, when this situation comes up, coincident, you all know infinite many solution, and for this, A1 by A2 must be equal to B1 by B2 and must be equal to C1 by C2. You should know this concept. If the situation is coincident, means infinitely many solution. And when infinitely many solution occurs, when infinitely many solution rise up, when this situation fulfills, otherwise not. So you have to put the values here, right? Rajdeep, Ankita answer D. Ankita, are you answering D for this question? Let me know. Give me thumbs up, Ankita. I'm waiting for your. And Rajdeep, you also? Okay, so let's check the answer. So A1 is what? A1 is the coefficient of first equation, coefficient of x in first equation. So 2 will be there. And A2 will be the coefficient of x in second equation, A plus B, right? Equal to B1 is what? The coefficient of y in first equation, minus 3. And B2 is the coefficient of y but in what? Second equation. And this is equals to minus A plus B minus 3. I hope this is clear to you, everyone. And C1 is what? C1 is what? 7. Can we shift 7 this side? So this 7 will be minus 7. I always used to take the values in standard form. I always take the values in standard form. You know, somewhere you might be seeing that the people are taking this C as it is in positive form. But I used to follow the standard form of linear equation, and you should also follow that. Okay, and the C2 is what? 4a. Can we take minus sign? Because this is at the right side of equal sign. So I'm taking minus sign, standard form. This. So minus will be cancelled with minus. Now, Marine is answered C. Let's wait. Now we compare these two. I'm comparing these two. So this will be what? Minus can be cancelled, this minus. So multiply with 2, cross multiply. 2a plus 2b and 2, 3 minus 6. And this will be 3a. And this will be plus 3b, right? Can we shift this a this side and this b again this side? So what will be the condition? 3a plus 3b and 2a will be minus 2a and this 2b minus 2b, right? And this minus 6 also that side. Oh, I can take as it is, minus 6. So 3a minus 2a will be a, 3b minus 2b will be plus b equals to minus 6. So we are getting here a plus b equals to minus 6, equation number 1. I'm calling this equation number 1, right? Now compare these two, this first and third position. So what will be the result? 2 by a plus b. You all are writing answer number A, Kunal, Ankita. Oh wow, let's wait. 7 divided by 4a plus b, right? So can we multiply cross? So 8a will be equals to 2b will equals to 7a plus 7b, right? But we have to find out this situation, which condition is fulfilling here. So can we shift this a here, 7a, and this is 8a. Can we shift this a here this side, and this is 2b here, and this is what? Look, this is 7b b here, and this is 8a, and this is 2b. So can we shift these two here? So I'm shifting this here, this side. So 8a minus 7a, 7b minus 2b. So 8a minus a will be there, 7b minus 2b will be 5b there. So can we shift this 5b? Wow, a minus 5b, 0. Is there any option? Yeah, a minus 5b, this option number C is correct, because using this option a plus b equals to minus 6, there is no any option which is matching by this, which is matching to this solution. No any option. So when I compare this first and third relation, we got this situation. If this is positive form, positive 5y, we can shift this positive 5 this side. So as you will shift this 5b that side, it will be in negative form. So this will be minus b. Okay, so why you guys are fighting with each other? You all are my lovely champ. Don't fight. Don't fight. Okay, that will disturb your focus. Stay focused, my champion. Okay, so yeah, question number 14. Question number, you are answering? Yeah, answer number C is correct. Yeah, you all are answering correct. Marine, Kunal, Ankita. Yeah, answer number C is correct one. Wow, superb. Should we move forward to the next question? I will show you question number 14, but give me thumbs up. Give me thumbs up. Your thumbs up encourages me a lot to do something wonder. Give me thumbs up. I'm waiting for your thumbs up, everyone. My champ, give me thumbs up. So then only I will move to the question number 14. Yeah, Kunal. Yeah. Give me thumbs up. Give me thumbs up. So question number 14 for you. Everyone, just do this question, everyone. You all can do. You all are rock. You all are champion. Do this question. Everyone. Kunal has given me thumbs up. Thank you, Kunal, for responding. Yeah, question number. Ankita also. Thank you so much, Ankita, for your kind thumbs up. Superb, Ankita. Now, Ankita, give me the answer of this question. Everyone. Yeah, there are two equations and you have to find the correct relation. Thank you, Ankita. Yeah, the pairs of equations, there are two equations. First linear equation is this and second one is this, right? And you have to choose the correct option. Which options is satisfying to the given linear equations in two variable. Welcome, sir. Kunal is welcoming me. Thank you, Kunal. Okay, now do this question. So Ankita answered option number C. Kunal is also answered option number C. Yeah, okay. I'm waiting for others. Everyone should do this question. I think there is nothing challenging. So let's do and check. Marin is also answered C. Okay, let's do. So, so this is the first equation. So A1 is what? A1 is the coefficient of x, which is 1. If there is nothing, there is 1. And A2, B1 will be the coefficient of y in first equation, that is 2. And C2 will be, C1 will be, C1 is what? Minus 5. And A2 is what? A2 is the coefficient of x in second equation. So A2 is minus 4. B2 is the coefficient of y in second equation, minus 8. And C2 is 20. Right? Now check. A1 by compare the coefficient and find out the ratio. A1 by A2 will be 1 by minus 4, which will be equal to minus 1 by 4. Now B1 by B2 will be, B1 is what? 2. And B2 is, my dear champion kids, minus 8. Can we cancel? So we are getting same number as previous one. Okay, and C1 by C2, C1 is minus 5 and C2 is what? 20. So can we cancel here? 4. Wow, all the three ratios are equal to each other. So if all the ratios are equal to each other, the solution will be infinitely many solution. Who answered C? It is definitely many solution. Exam mein bhi bhula lena. What you guys are doing here? Okay, so answer number C. I'll also go to with you. Yeah. Answer number C, Ankita, Kunal, everyone. Yeah, superb. You all answered correct. Superb. So now, should I move ahead to the next question? Question number 15 for you. Yeah, do this question, everyone. Now do this question. Do this question right. Come on. If one equation of a pair of dependent linear equation is this, you have to find, dependent. What is called dependent? Let me give you a hint here. Dependent means when a line lies on first line, when second line lies on first line, or I can say when two lines are on each other, means coincident condition. Right? When two lines lie on each other, and which is also called infinitely many solution. So indirectly you have to find any of these equation which will be relating to this equation as infinitely many solution. So you have to find this. A1 by A2, B1 by B2 equals to C1 by C2. This is called dependent condition. Dependent means one line is dependent on other, means both the lines are lying on each other. So which option? Check whether in which option this condition is fulfilling. This is A1 by A2. I'm just matching these two first. I'm comparing the coefficient of first. So minus 3 minus 6 will be 1 by 2, and B1 by B2 5 by 10, 5 by 10, which will be 1 by 2. Okay, till now correct. And now comparing this to minus 2 and here is minus 4. And if I compare this, oh wow, A. I will go also with you, everyone. Ankita, Kunal. So, look, A1 by A2 is 1 by 2, B1 by B2 is, 5 by 10 is 1 by 2, and minus 2 by minus 4 will be 1 by 2. Right? So, A1 by A2 equals to B1 by B2 equals to C1 by C2. If this situation arises here, so we can conclude, yeah, this will be the answer, dependent. Superb. Wow. Great, you answered well, yaar. Yeah, I'm really impressed from you, everyone. I'm looking to your performance here. Okay, now next question number 16, everyone. Do fast. Do fast. Okay. The angle of cyclic quadrilateral. Cyclic quadrilateral. The cyclic quadrilateral is that when a quadrilateral draw inside a circle is called cyclic quadrilateral, or you can also conclude a quadrilateral in which the sum of opposite angles are equal to 180 degree. If I'm letting it x and this is y, so the sum of x plus y will be equal to 180 degree. This quadrilateral is called cyclic quadrilateral, right? So what you have to do here, look, there is a cyclic quadrilateral ABCD. So let's assume if there is a quadrilateral, I'm letting this quadrilateral here. If this is A, this is B, so what will be the vertex opposite to A? C will be there. And which vertex will be opposite to B? D will be there. So sum of A and C will be equal to 180 degree, and the sum of B and D will be equal to 180 degree. So what you need to do here, the A is this. So A plus C will be equal to 180 degree. Can I write? A is 6x plus 10 and C is what? X plus y equals to 180. Right? So 6x and 1x will be 7x, 10y and this is here. Only 10 is there, no y is there. Okay, so this will be only y and this is 10. Can I shift this 10 this side? So this will be 170, right? And I'm calling this equation as first. Now the sum of B and D will be equal to 180 degree. As we are getting the sum of A plus C equals to 180 degree. Similarly, B plus D will be 180 degree because ABCD is quadrilateral, cyclic quadrilateral. So B is what? B is this. Now B plus D will be equal to 180 degree. So B is what? 5x. Okay, and D is what? D is equals to 3y minus 10. 3y minus 10 equals to 180. Right? So can I write 5x plus 3y, and on shifting this 10 that side, the result will be 190. Right? So we can apply substitution method. So from equation number 1, can I find y? Y will be 170 minus this 7x, right? And I'm calling this equation number 3. And put this equation in this equation number 2. So what will be the result? 5x plus 3 at the place of y. At the place of y, I'm putting this 170 minus 7x equals to what? 190, right? So now solve this. 5x plus 510 minus 21x equals to 190, right? So 5x is there and this is minus 21x. So what will be the result? This will be what? 16 minus 16x equals to 190. So can I shift this minus 16 this side and taking 190 this side? So 510 minus 190 equals to 16x, right? So what the Kunal answered B. So let's check Kunal. So 190 minus, so this will be 0 and this will be 2 and here will be 4 and this will be 3. 320 equals to 16x. So x will be 320 divided by 16. So can I cancel this by 2? So x is 20 degree. Wow. And on putting this value in any equation, so I can directly put the value of x here in this to find the y. So y will be 170 minus 7 into x is what? 20. We just get it. Okay, 170 minus this will be 140 and this will be 30. I hope you have understood the solution. So this option number B is correct. Wow, Kunal and Merin both answered correct. So I hope you see, the main is concept. The important thing in this question is concept. The concept of cyclic quadrilateral, right? The concept of cyclic quadrilateral is what? The sum of opposite angles are equal to 180 degrees. Simple. Keep it in mind. Okay, if any question, in any question, cyclic quadrilateral terms comes up, so it implies that the sum of opposite angles will be equal to 180 degree. This is the concept, right? Now, question number 17. Do this question. I hope you all can do this question. The pair of equations this x equals to a and y equals to b graphically represent lines which are, a tricky question. This is tricky question. Tricky one, but very easy. Very easy. You all can do this question. I am watching to your comment section. Give me the answer. What will be the answer of this question? Question number 17. My dear lovely kids, give me the correct answer of this question. There are 4 options given to you, and you have to give the correct option, correct answer. Give me correct answer. You should do, you should see. If you feel scared, if you're afraid just to seeing the question, if you saw the question and you get afraid about the question, how you could see, just put your effort, try at least once. At least you should try. The answer will come or not, doesn't matter, but your effort should be there. Then only you can improve your maths. Don't run away from the calculation. Give me the correct answer. What will be the correct answer? So look, the question is, there are 2 equations. This is also equation x equals to a, and the another equation is y equals to b. So keep it in one thing, keep it in mind. If only x equals to a is there, no y is there in that first equation. This is first equation, guys. This is first equation and this is second. Is there any y family? No. So if y family is not there, means y is 0. If y is 0, it implies that the coefficient of y is 0. And in this second equation, if y equals to b, means x is 0. And when x will be 0? When the coefficient of x will be 0. Simple. Getting my point? So how you can draw the equations? Draw the line of these equations. Mary answer D. So let's check. X is a. Let's say a is here. Because for this situation, y is 0. So you have to represent the coordinates on x-axis itself. This is x-axis, right? And this is y-axis. And here in second situation, y is b. So x is 0. No x is there. So only this will be there. So this is the coordinate of this will be what? A. This is a there. A. Right. And the coordinate of this will be what? 0, b. I hope you understood it. And if I draw the lines, this will be the line x equals to a, and this will be the straight line of x equals to b. But we have to find out, graphically represent the line. Yes, intersecting line, but the coordinates will be here at this point. This is the intersection. So what will be the coordinate? We have to write first a, because we generally write x coordinate first in bracket, and this is b. So a comma b. So intersecting at a comma b. Who answered D? Only Merin answered D. Very good, Merin. Superb. All the very best. So this will be a comma b, and both the lines are intersecting with each other. Okay. Now question number 18. Question number 18 is, if the lines represent this, this and this, okay, both the linear equations are in standard form. And if they are already in their standard form, and the question is saying when they will be coincident. You all know, if coincident term is there, it implies that there will be infinitely many solution. Yes, infinitely many solution. And you all know, when infinitely many solutions arise, when infinitely many solutions comes up, when the ratio of coefficients of all these will be equal to each other. Yes. So option number, is there any option? Option number B. is correct. I hope you get the point. Now question number 19. Okay, answer is already given here in slide. Okay, look, question number 19. Can you do this question, guys? Yeah, question number 19. You all can do this question. Just try it once. The question is a pair of linear equations which has unique solution, x equals to 2 and y equals to minus 3 is. So you have to find out the equations in which both the values will satisfy. So put the values and check. Very easy question. Just check whether. Put x equals to 2 and minus 3 first here. So if I put x equals to 2 and y is minus 3, so we are getting minus 1. So this is satisfying. Now put here x equals to 2, 2 into 2, 4, and minus 4 minus 3 into y, 3 into minus 3, right? So 4 and this will be minus 9, we are getting 13. Not satisfying. So this will not be the answer. Now check here in this equation, option number 2. So option number 2 is 2x plus 5y. Now put the value x equals to 2, 4 and y is minus 3. I'm checking this B, option number B. So 2 into 2 plus 5 into y is what? Y is minus 3, right? So what we are getting here? 4 minus 15, we are getting minus 11. So this is satisfying here. Yeah, now check in here. 4 into 2 plus 10 into y is minus 3. Very good. So what we are getting here? 12 minus 30. And 12 minus 30 is equals to what? Minus 18. Not satisfying because here is minus 20. Now check option number C. Option number C is 2 into 2 minus, this is minus 3. So 4 plus 3 will be there. Not satisfying. Now check in this option number D. So what will be the option? X is 2 here. 2 minus 4 into y. Y is minus 3. And this is minus 14. Check. 2 minus, this is minus 12. Minus plus will be there. Minus 14. 14 minus 14. Wow. First equation is satisfied in option number D. Now check this option. 5 into x. X is what? 2. Minus y is what? Minus 3. Minus 13. So check whether 10 and minus will be plus, minus 13. So this is 13 minus 13 is equals to 0. Wow, this option number D is satisfying both the values. Okay, this option is correct. What I did here, I was putting these two values x and 2 in these all equations, and I checked which equations is satisfying these two values. So I got the answer option number D. This is not satisfying. This is the answer. Question number 20. Last question for you, everyone. Can you do this question? Give me thumbs up. Can you do this question, everyone? Yeah, give me thumbs up. Can you do this question, everyone? Very easy. The graphical representation of a pair of this. There are two linear equations, this and this. You have to check which option is satisfying. Kunal is saying answer number B. Let's wait for a while, Kunal. Give me thumbs up here. I'm waiting for your thumbs up, everyone. Yeah. What will be the answer? So, first find out the A1, B1, which is 3, and C1 is what? Minus. Oh, sorry. Yeah. This is a beautiful thing here. Minus 1 is here, and 5. There are two constants are here. You have to take both the constant with each other all together. So you have to shift this 5 here this side. So when this 5 will come this side, it will go in negative form, and minus 1 is already there. So minus 1 and minus 5 will be minus 6. So C1 is basically minus 6 here. Okay? Yeah, Marine answered option number B. Okay, wait, Marine. A2 is 12. B2 is 9, here is 9, and C2 is what? 15. Now compare the coefficients. So A1 by A2 is 4 by 12, which is equals to 1 by 3. B1 by B2. B1 is what? 3, and B2 is what? 9. This is also equal to, I'm just cancelling, yeah. You might be confusing why I'm writing minus 3 here, 1 by 3 here. C1 by C2 is what? Minus 6, right? And this is 15 here. positive, this is also in negative form, right? Okay, negative. Can I cancel this negative? So 2, 3, 6 and 5, 3 are 15. So we are getting 2, 3, 6 and 5, 3 are 15. This is 2 by 5. So which relation is satisfying here? This is A1 by A2 equals to B1 by B2, but not equal to C1 by C2, right? Because A1 by A2 is 1 by 3, B1 by B2 is 1 by 3, but C1 by C2 is 2 by 5. Means these both ratios are satisfying with each other, they are equal to each other, but they are not equal to C1 by C2. And this situation, this condition is called what? You know, parallel line. Parallel line. And parallel line means no solution. No solution. I hope you get the point. Answer number A. Who answered? Why you guys were answering B here? Is Sneha Jaiswal. Yes, Sneha answered correct. This is parallel. Super, Sneha, all the very best. Thank you so much, my dear champion, my dear lovely kids. Just stay focused, stay determined, stay motivated. No need to demoralize, no need to demotivate yourself. You all are having that potential, you all are having that spark. You just need to fuel that and move forward. No one can stop you. But the condition is that your belief system should be stronger. I am here to nurture you, to give you the concept and clarity how you can, prepare for your board exam. Stay connected with us. Thank you so much for watching. Stay blessed, take care of yourself, and don't leave anything tomorrow. Start today. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Take care.